How to identify music from videos using YouTube AI. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open YouTube on your device. Then click on the search bar at the top right corner of your screen. In here, you'll find microphone icon at the top right. Simply click on the microphone icon at the top right. Then you'll find two options. Click on song. After you've done that, it will listen to what is playing. I am playing music from another device. As you can see, it is searching and it was this music. And this is how to identify music from videos using YouTube AI. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.